assess whether the methods justify the conclusions. It's advisable to use the past tense. It's about what you did and avoid using the first person always. Although this will vary from journal to journal, ultimately you should explain how you studied the problem, identify the procedure you followed, and structure this information as logically as possible. Then, if your methods are new, you will need to explain them in details. If they have been published before, cite the original work, including your amendments. If you have made modifications, then identify the equipment and material you used, specifying their source, state the frequency of observations and what types of data were recorded. Give precise measurement, stating the strength and weakness when necessary. Name any statistical test so your uh, quantitative results can be judged. If your research involved human participants, animal stem cells, or other biohazards materials, you will need to include certain information in the ethics statement, such as committee approval and permission to publish. You should also explain your criteria for selecting participants, then results. This section should represent your findings objectively, explaining them largely in text. It's where you show how your results contribute to the body of scientific knowledge. So be clear and logical. And it's important not to interpret your results that comes in the discussion and conclusion section. You, you can base the sequence of the text on the tables, figures, and graphs that best present your findings. Emphasis any significant findings clearly. Tables and figures must be numbered separately. Figures should have a brief but complete description, a legend that reveals how the data was produced, then discussion and conclusion. This is where you describe the meaning of your results, especially in the context of what was already known about the subject. You can present general and specific conclusion and take care not to summarize your article. That's what the abstract is for. You should link this section back to the introduction, referring to your question or hypothesis, and cover how the results relate to your expectation and cited sources. Do the results support or contradict existing theories? Are there any limitations? You can also suggest further experiments, used, and extensions. Above all, the discussion should explain how your research has moved the body or scientific knowledge forward. Your conclusions must be supportable and not extend beyond your result. So avoid undue speculations and bold judgment about impact. This is also a good place to suggest practical applications for your results and to outline what the next steps in your research will be. To summarize, make sure that your result directly support your conclusions. You use a specific expression and quantitatively descriptions 12 degree higher. Instead of a higher table, you only discuss the reader to a whole new vocabulary. If you missed an important term, go back to the introduction and insert it. All interpretation and speculations are based on fact, not imagination. Acknowledgement, keep acknowledgement brief, naming those who helped you with your research contribution and suppliers who provided free materials. You should also disclose any financial or other substantive conflict of interest that could be seen to influence your result or interpretation. Available via journal homepage and journal citation report, Clarivision or journal citation report. You can check from there. References, new research builds on previously published work, which should always be acknowledged. Any information that isn't common knowledge or generated by your experiment should be within quotation marks and include a reference. The format of citation and references varies, so you should
Professor Som, sir, if it is
refer
possible,
to the
you can use the full
guidelines
screen.
and references. for the journal you are submitting.
Professor Som sir, if it is possible, kindly use the full screen mode. There is a bottom in the right side of your screen. You can use the full screen.
I have done.
Yeah.
Then language quality. A scientific article should report your findings and conclusions are clear as possible. To achieve this, words or phrase, keep it simple. Use active writing when possible. For example, carbon dioxide was consumed. This is important. So for no facts and hypotheses, use present tense. The average life expectancy of a honeybee is 6 weeks. But use the past tense when referring to experiments you have conducted. All the honeybees were maintained in an environment with a consistent temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and also use the past tense to describe results. Environment was 8 weeks. Elsevier has edited services to help ensure that your work is written in post-scientific English before submission and that your paper is free of grammar, spelling, and other common errors. Translation service are also available from or into Chinese, Portuguese, Spanish, Arabic, Turkish, Russian, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and many more languages. Then illustration, submitting any illustrations, figures, or other works like multimedia supplementary files in an electronic format means that we can provide your work to the best possible standard, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and high-level details. So specific details on how to format and submit at work citation, you can check from the elsevier.com/artwork. Then adding researcher data. Research data forms the backbone of your research article and provides the foundation on which scientific, technical, and medical knowledge is built. Research data available, accessible, discoverable, and unusable. As an author, you can choose to store your data in a repository like Mendeley data, or you can go for data.mendeley.com to make your data set independently citable and link it with your article. You can also choose to submit a brief peer-reviewed data article. Your data article will be indexed and linked to your original research article. Be sure to cite your research data in your article. This ensures you receive credit for your work while making your research data accessible, giving your readers deeper insights and supporting the work. Find out the more elsevier.com or authors or author-services/research.data. Then data statement, Elsevier journals and many other provide guidelines on data sharing. There can be reasons why you are not able to share your research data. Example, due to confidentiality reason. In this case, you can submit a statement with will paper will appear next to your article and state the reason why your data set is not linked to your article. Then graphical abstracts. A graphical abstract is a useful way to provide a visual summary of an article main finding. It appears in your article on Science Direct and it also features in the results list written by online research engine. The Elsevier web shop offers professional illustration services to help you maximize the value of your graphical abstract. Visit webshop.elsevier.com. This site, the abstract can be shared on social media or directly with colleagues to help you broaden your audience. Don't forget to include a link to your article. Then ethics. Understanding the boundaries in scientific research and publishing is a key step in making sure your work gets up to the best start. Scientific misconduct and theories of publishing ethics can take different forms and be committed knowingly. or unknowingly. Examples of misconduct and breaches includes authorship disputes, deliberately misinterpreting a scientist's relation with published work, competing interest, not disclosing to a journal that you have a direct or indirect conflict which prevents you from being unbiased. Third is plagiarism, passing off another's work or ideas as your own. Then simultaneous, a paper to be more one publication at the same time, it cannot be sent at the same time, making up research data and falsifying, that means manipulating research data, tables and images. Then salami slicing, this, this slicing up of research that would form one meaningful paper, several different papers. The Ethics in Research and Publication program is collaboration between Elsevier and an independent panel of experts in research and publishing ethics. The program's online resources and tools have been developed to help you feel confident that you are doing the right things. See ethics.elsevier.com. Then SEO your article. Search engine optimization helps to ensure that your article appears high index in the results returned by search engines such as Google. This can mean your abstract more readers, gain higher visibility in the academic community, potentially increase citation. Tips for SEO includes use keyword, especially in the title and abstract. Add captions with keywords to all photographs, images, graphs, and tables. Add titles or subheadings with keywords or to the different section of your articles. Make sure your place links to your article from relevant websites. That means your institute's website, Wikipedia, LinkedIn, blogs, and social media. Then submit and revise your paper. Once you are ready to submit the paper to the journal editor via the submission peer review system. How to submit platforms, editorial message, EM, the Elsevier editorial system, EES, and or EVIAC. All journals will move on to EM in the coming years. Peer review after submission is manuscript is checked for plagiarism and assessed carefully to determine if it fits the aims and scope of the journal. If journal representatives are enthusiastic about the work, the journal peer review do, the reviewers help determine the validity, significance, and originality of the work and can suggest improvements to the manuscript and the research. On their recommendation, editors will accept with revisions or reject a manuscript. To make good judgment, peer review use their own checklist to evaluate contents for scientific value and originality, to see that artists as well as the journal's specific guidelines, and to check that you have been referenced correctly. The peer reviewer will look closely at your methodology and the validity of your data and consider your ethical approach published. Then there are different types of peer review. Here is also single blind, most common, double blind, triple blind, and open access. These are the three types of review, and this is the description that I had also given here. Then article transfer service. Several Elsevier journals operate a complimentary article transfer service. The editor will offer this service if they feel fits better with another Elsevier journal. With your approval, your submission will be transferred there. Check the status of your paper, status of your article in our electronic submission system using a reference number that will receive by email. If your paper is accepted for publication, you can follow the publication status through the completion. Using the track email feature, you will receive a reference number and link via email after final decision. Mention the submission in press. Finalizing, it will go to the press, proofing, share link, and of prints. Congratulations, your article has been accepted. There are few more things to consider that can optimize the publication of a research work. Elsevier will do everything if it can to have your article published as quality and accurately as possible. Article in press, accepted paper. Accepted articles are published online on Science Direct as an article in press and assigned in an issue at a later date. You can track your article and citation throughout this process. Then proofing, accurate proofreading, and clear marking of corrections are essential for the production of a quality article. As soon as your article has been typeset, you will receive an email with either a PDF attachment of your article or a link to it to our online proofing system. Then share link and prints. Most of the journals give authors a personalized link